Okay, so here's the second example that was in the guided notes, and it's full of coefficients on the x squared because you have to remember how to factor those. So if you look at all four of these, none of them really have a greatest common factor, so we're just going to go ahead and start factoring them. So I need two numbers that multiply to give me negative 24 and to give me negative 5. Those two numbers would be negative 8 and positive 3, and if I went through and did the box method, the factors I get would be 2x plus 3 and x minus 4. If I factor the bottom thing, with two numbers multiplied to give you negative 12, add to give you negative 11, that would end up factoring into 3x plus 1 and x minus 4 times. The second one, the top, would factor, and again you could do all this with box or grouping method, whichever way you like best. X minus 2, x plus 1, and then on the bottom here, this one factors into 2x and x, and let's see, that'd be plus 5 and plus 3. Now, the numbers that x can't equal, remember we always do it at this step. X can't be negative 1/3 because of the 3x plus 1. Can't be 4 because of the x minus 4. Can't be negative 3/2 because of the 2x plus 3, and can't be negative 5. And now I can cancel out anything that's in common on top and bottom. So in the first fraction, we have x minus 4s. And the second fraction, we can't simplify anything there, but we could do some cross cancellation. 2x plus 3s, 3x plus 1s. And so my answer will be x minus 2 over x plus 5 with those excluded values. That's it for the second example.